What's up guys, boss Hannes came in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Brand new banger.
But as usual guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, shootout in town, Trafalgar Road, right by YMC and cross from Devon house. Shootout going between police and gunman. Yeah, big thing like Billy the Kid in a think a movie a police hide behind Kiara. Crazy. Unfortunate, you know, say one person dies still. You know what I mean? But make we check out the clip. What going on in Jamaica? This clip is provided by Luke. Big up Luke. Proud sponsor, sign us. Gaming. Let's go.
Mass shooting and killed 10 people at a Boulder supermarket on March 22.
What going on out there? Oh, I'm still high.
Almost dead.
Almost dead. See police up by a tree there, sir. See him up by a tree, see man?
I look for the man for the building top. See a man for the building top, eh?
Shoot out.
The police pilot him gun out there, so like out in the road out there, so. I wonder if I appreciate them raps.
We see a couple shot lick all the wall a while ago.
Yeah. Wipe for all night, everything. Somebody get the collection. I saw them at 2. Them know where I am.
You get shoot up. The car they get shoot up.
Full of painting gun.
Money in there.
Yeah man, I want them on the ground too. Yeah man, I want them on the ground.
You know the car?
Run out back of the van there, so. So them a throw him in the Jeep there. Yeah man, I want gone over Abbey Court. So them a throw him in the Jeep there.
You don't know them. I don't know my feet. I'm running for it. You don't know them. Shot.
Yeah man, 2 of them man. Yeah man, one of them gone over Abbey Court.
No, but the one they were gone about they hold him down.
Man, for the driver, them.
What? That was crazy. You see the last clip a while ago? Where the boy a walk and the police have him? You see the first clip I watch? Where you see one boy jump out of the white car and a roll and dip on the ground flat at him. So oh you a bad man. I say you a bad man and you jump out a car and a roll on ground and a surrender. Eh? What is wrong? What is wrong with them young people here? What is wrong with these people? What kind of brother? We don't even them say it's unclear what really caused all of this and thing. But you could think on the street say, boy, me no know, me no want to go give no false news or whatever, but it's crazy. It's alleged that the gunman them start something, the bad boy them start something. You know what I mean? You hear all kind of things. But we know that for certain that one person died. You know what I mean? It's unfortunate. You know, big shoot up that and bump on the road right there. So you know what I mean? It's crazy. It's crazy. Me no know what to tell you, no, but it boy. It's rough a road. I just want to tell all I want to say, just be careful on the road. Cause look, the people just go about them business and in the middle of the road. Big war start, big shootout, thump, police and gunman like that. And it more frequent now. I don't know if the big C cause it corona, cause this, but gunman them and the police them at it. You know what I mean? But it really look like, based on how I see it right there, so like the policeman them pick up a rate before them run down in her, probably them get a little intel or something. You know, I like to find out what may cause this. You know what I mean? Or what may cause or lead to all of this still. But boy, it's sad still. And it's unfortunate that somebody have lost them life. But that was crazy. Let me know your thoughts down below, peeps. Share your comments and let me know. You know what I mean? Hopefully me not get flagged by YouTube because it's gonna be crazy. Thank you very much, peeps, for watching. And just go on journey with your boy. Yeah.